Is my little baby watching? Little stalker man. Look at that little hamburger bun head and the little ears. I love y'all. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Dude, you don't fucking pay bills. You do not pay the taxes. What is this? Are you serious?
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Get up. Get up. No. No sleeping. Up. Up. No napping during the day.
You better run. Oh, I just stepped on you. You better run. You better run. You better run. You better run. Psst.
Oh, sick touch. Oh. Oh.
Peter, did you do this? Did you do this? Okay, well, that's not working. Rise and shine.
Sadie's sawing logs over there. It's.
Let me take my
You dumbass!
Surprise, shawty!
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, bro. Well. Yep. Get out of my hand!
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
Да здесь я, чего вы меня ищете? Чего меня искать? Здесь я сижу каждый божий день. Чего меня искать? По какому поводу меня искать?
Good morning, mi amor. Ow! I said good morning. Ow! Brat. Can we try it again? Good morning, mi amor. Oh, there it is. Good.
Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, kid.
And it's all too much for little Lando Norris. 21 years old. He just needs a bit of sleep. He did have rather...
You got both of us.
Personal space is like not a thing when it comes to my cat.
Friendly reminder that after 8 years, my husband's cat and my cat still dislike each other so much that they won't eat unless there's a divider.
I can't hear you. Is that your big girl voice? Nova, why are you staring at me?
Simba. Simba.
Are you new here?
Yeah.
Ya estoy en gordo con la miaju. ¿Cómo es, Lily?
Oh my god.
No, you decide, like, bitch, put it back.
Can you see that?
I have never seen anything so perfect in my entire life. There's not one thing I would change. It's absolutely, utterly perfect. Perfectly perfect.
On сидеть будет так?
Блин.
А, будешь бутерброды? Ну так долго сидеть будет.
Ay, estoy grabando. ¿Por qué haces mi vida?
Happy. What are you doing?
This is the weather. This says it's cold. See, it says 32. It says it's cold.
Came home and this was on the ground spilled. It was full.
Literally to the brim.
Kitten.
Oh, they gave me a cat again. I asked for chicken nuggets.
Oh my god, look at him. Look at him. Oh my god. Miso. Hey baby. You look so silly.
I've narrowed it down to 3 things that could be going on inside that little head. Number 1, infinite knowledge, smarter than the universe. Option 2, nothing. All floof, no brain. Option 3, my least favorite, plotting my demise.
Technically, I'm not on the table and I'm not on the counter. So you can't spray me, Mom. So there.
No. Sorry.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening! Everybody stay calm! What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait! Everybody calm down!
Creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors.
Bella.
Ozzy, I just mopped, bro. Really? Oh my god.
Where's this fidget spinner? What will she do?
We don't do that. Put her down, please. We don't do that.
She's happy for me. She's happy for... Look, she's happy. Look. Look.
Oh, I see.
My mom, who said she never wants a cat part 2.
बातें बड़ी मजे की ओए ये क्या कर नोची बन गई है ये बड़ी मस्त हो गई है
Oh my god, kitty! From like just a
Do you mind? Come on, get out of there. Thank you.
I think our cat might be a little autistic. Theo.
Where'd you do it?
Hey. Oh.
When mom won't let you outside.
Привет.
Just like that, maybe it really just sensed you somehow. But the screams, I know, but here's the thing. When Billy is alone with a girl,
She comes in every day to watch my Daegu. You're never gonna get it.
This man is a bully.
Georgie, you can't sleep on my keyboard all day. I have work to do.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Why are you laughing at me?
It's okay, you've got this. Push.
Okay, let me focus.
Excuse me.
Are you okay, Rita? Why are you bluffing so much?
God damn. Oh my God, what is that?
Hey.
Chupando como loco. Estamos chupando como locos. De lujo con mi abuelo. Vino.
That reading's good. None of that.
Hi, I'm Trevor, and I guess whole egg crowding peanut and potato starch.
No, Freya. No, Freya. Stop.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Ruthie, why are you mad?
My cat really loves cheese.
Wow. Hello?
Whoa. Hello?
Kenny.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Down low.
You're pulling hard. It's gonna wreck.
Hey, don't bite.
No bite.
Could you get stuck?
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him.
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She is not fat. Her primordial pouch hangs low.
She's fat.
No.
Hey!
Ruby.
Ah! Oi!
Stop, it hurts.
Hot? Is that why you're laying on your kitchen tile? You're so fat.
Sometimes you gotta teach the cat a lesson.
What you doing?
I have to bounce him. This is how he's comfortable.
Spoiled.
Little baby.
Spoiled.
You baby.
Ying! All I like is squishy. Ying! I hear him. Hello. Pretty girl.
Literally, just watch. Go, put her down. Alright, alright.
Wait. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
I was not expecting him to do that.
Toe touch. That means we're best friends forever.
Open the door. Open the door.
Huge. However, everyone thinks
Stole the pickle!
She's so brave, she's well behaved, she is not afraid, she's powerful.
Attenzione pickpocket! Attenzione borseggiatrici!
No fucking way.
Every day I wake up and I ask myself, how am I going to be the biggest pain in the ass that I can be?
Okay. That. Oh. Hi. Oh, that was too good.
Raise your hand if you are beautiful.
If you want to run around and play, go into the foster room. Go.
Tiene mirada corta y mirada larga, además de la exactitud en algunos pases y la capacidad también que tiene como estratega del equipo. Juega solito en la mitad de la cancha.
Nigga, where your mom at, nigga? Hey, nigga, where your mom at, nigga?
Oh!
Vinny! Vinny, stop!
Me trying to close the dishwasher. Oh geez. That's weird. How come it won't close all the way?
I love you! Hello? I love you.
Oh shit, what's good? Yo, what is good, dude?
What up?
Yo!
Yep, cat in the function. In the function.
Okay.
What are we doing? I'm trying to make the bed. Just trying to make the bed, y'all. Announcing His Royal Highness Sir Dubert.
The next train at platform 1 is the 12:10 West Midlands Railway service to Stourbridge Town. Calling at Stourbridge Town only. This train is formed of one carriage. Platform 1 for the 12:10 West Midlands Railway service to Stourbridge Town.
Bye. Bye.
The time a cat broke into my house and I thought it was a bird.
Where is it?
What do you think he's thinking about? Why is he sitting like this? Oh my god! Daisy!
And then he's so chill too. I can just do like the most outright weird things. Boom. There he is.
It's not that it's not convenient, it's just impossible right this minute.
Brownie.
And I work.
Like chemicals in here. There's just no way, bro. How's it going, big man? Yeah. Have a good night. Binks, what's wrong? Pinky! What's wrong? Binks, what's wrong?
Sit over here. Sit over here. It's not that serious.
Pardon? No.
Mutlu musun? Ağzın acıdı değil mi salak? Ağzın acıdı. Bro, stop! Why are you doing that?
What do you have to say? Yep. What do you have to say to those who say you're spoiled? He's so dramatic.
There's Frank. You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank.
It's so hot. You can't afford to get like this. Even though it's in this outdoor area. That's how hot it is today.
¿Qué quieres?
Why does she have her paw up like she's asking me a question? Yes, Stella, what do you want, baby? Do you want rubby dubbies? Yes, you do. It's so cute. Baby girl, I love you.